Approximately 2 months are remaining for the launch of the OPPO Find X8 series, which includes at least 3 models such as the Find X8, X8 Pro, and X8 Ultra. It is speculated that the Find X8 and X8 Pro will hit the Chinese market in October and the Ultra may go official in January 2025. We now have our first live look at the Find X8. We can see the back will offer a redesigned camera island and a flat frame. And new leaks Find X8 series will also have a capture button a la the iPhone 16 models and Sony devices. The Find X8 will have a flat screen, whereas the displays of the X8 Pro and X8 Ultra will have a micro-curvature design. As can be seen, there's an earpiece placed on the top bezel of the Find X8. The device appears to have an alert slider on the left side and a volume rocker and power button on the right edge. The round camera module on the Find X8 back has 4 camera rings with a Hasselblad logo in the middle. Its rear camera setup is expected to feature a 50-megapixel Sony primary camera, an ultra-wide lens, and a Sony IMX882 periscope telephoto camera. The OPPO Find X8 will feature a 6.4-inch or 6.5-inch OLED panel including 1.5K screens and a 120Hz refresh rate. Find X8 be equipped with the Dimensity 9400 chipset. It is expected to run on ColorOS 15 based Android 15. The device is said to pack a 5600 mAh silicon battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.